Hi, it's Connecticut attorney Ryan McKeen, and today I'm here with Connecticut medical malpractice attorney Jake Kocienda. Hi, Jake.
Hi, Ryan.
Jake, one of the things that we get asked a lot is, what is the standard of care in a medical malpractice case?
So that's interesting. That's two questions in one. You'd be surprised. So there is a statute that requires and defines what the standard of care is. And very generically, it's what a similar healthcare professional would do under all relevant circumstances. But that doesn't really tell you much. So the best way to look at it is what should have been done from a medical standpoint in your case. The specific details and the circumstances in your medical care defines and dictates what the standard of care would be for you. And so what may be standard of care for one patient may be different for another if they present with different circumstances. And sometimes that could be one or just two things that are different from one patient to another. It's very patient specific and circumstantially specific to an encounter.
And, you've been at this for a very long time. Do standards of care evolve with things like technology?
Absolutely. Science and medicine evolve over time, and everything changes. Sometimes it can be within one eureka moment. Sometimes it's just an evolution. We'd still be treating people with leeches and other things from the 18 and 1600s if there wasn't an evolution. So what may be acceptable and appropriate 5 years ago might not be today, and 10 years ago. Sometimes it could be a matter of months before when the medical care and the standard of care changes.
So I think that's it's a really important point. And when you're looking at bringing a case like this, you really need to have a lawyer who understands the experts who are involved in this, who are teaching this, who are very on the cutting edge of what is going on and what doctors and medical providers in general should know. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to Attorney Kocienda, 860-471-8333.